Good day everyone, and welcome to my channel. Now there's a quick demo on how to create a position calculator in MetaTrader using the MQL5 programming language. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first thing I want to do is write down the formula for the position calculator. Okay, so this is the formula that my FX book uses to calculate positions. So let's just say you have a random number, $465 account, and you want to risk 1%, or maybe let's say 1.5%, and then your stop loss is 30 pips, right? So that's what we're working with. Let me just get back to MetaTrader and write this down. So the risk amount is equal to, how much are we risking? Let me see. Let's say we are risking 400. Let's say we are risking 100 and let's say we are risking 75, right? We are risking $75. I don't want to show the result yet, or maybe I should, so that, okay, it's going to be 0.25. Okay, we are risking $75, right? So we are risking $75 and double our stop loss is equal to 30 pips, and the pip value is 10. Why is it 10? It's 10 because of this. The pip value of Euro USD per lot is 10. So yeah, and we are just going to double lot size is equal to risk amount divided by the stop loss times the pip value. Maybe I should also, because with these you can get like really long numbers, so we'll normalize double, and then we want it to 1 decimal point, so we want only one number after the decimal point, and we are just going to print the lot size. So that's it. Check 0.3. What did they say? 0.25. So we are off by 1 digit. I mean, it's obviously the rounding, so I'll just change that from a 1 to a 2, and there you go. If we said we are risking, let's say 150, that's 0.5 lots. We are risking 150, that's 0.5 lots. There you go. Okay, thank you for watching. That's it for this video. Goodbye.